In this video, I will share with you how to add an image to the hero section in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account, then go to websites, and next to the website, you want to add the image or an image in the hero section. Click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and first let's create a hero section. Click on add section, blank section. Now select this section, click on edit section, and from the background tab, make sure to select image and not color, then click on add image. You can upload your image from your computer or go with free images. I've searched using background to get background images. I think I will go with this image. Click on add to I didn't like this image. Let's test this image. Click on add to page, and just like that it was used for the hero section. Now before adding before adding the elements, I want to make sure this header section transparent, so select it with your mouse, click on edit header, and from the layout where is transparent, style, yes, go to style, make the header transparent just like that. And I think since my header elements are black, this image or this hero image should be a little bit white or whiter. I've searched for white backgrounds, and these are the white backgrounds I can go with. Click on add page, and just like that I've adjusted the header or the hero section image. I think that's all for this tutorial. Let's update my website to view it live. And just like that, I've updated the hero section image in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.